Sugar ants swarming your fruit bowl is one of the most annoying things ever, right? Okay, those little guys are totally obsessed with sugary stuff, especially fresh fruit just chilling out in your kitchen. To keep them away, always cover your fruit bowls with a mesh or a cloth, or better yet, stash the fruit in the fridge if you can. Wipe down your counters regularly because even tiny sticky spots from juice or spills are like an all-you-can-eat buffet for ants. If you spot sugar ants, follow their trail with soapy water or vinegar to clean the path they use. It messes with their scent trails and confuses them. Another pro tip: keep your trash cans sealed tight, since ants love rummaging through garbage for scraps. You can also try sprinkling cinnamon or coffee grounds around your fruit bowl area. Ants hate crossing that stuff. Lastly, check for any cracks or gaps around windows and doors where ants sneak in and seal those up with caulk or weather stripping. One of the biggest mistakes with sugar ant problems is ignoring the source. Just spraying them doesn't work because you're not killing the queen or breaking the trail. Fix this by tracing where they come from and cleaning that path well. Another common issue is leaving food out uncovered. It's like an open invitation for ants, so always cover or refrigerate your fruit. Lastly, using harsh chemical pesticides can be risky around food areas and pets. Opt for natural deterrents like vinegar or essential oils instead to keep things safe and still get rid of ants. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking you up with trustworthy local contractors who can help with pest control and home repairs. It also helps contractors find good jobs from homeowners who really need their help, making it a win-win for everyone.